பை டயக்ராம்ஸ்க்கும் அதே மாதிரி தான். எப்படி நம்ம அந்த பர்சன்டேஜ் ஷேர் பண்ணமோ அதே மாதிரி இங்க 7 இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் இருக்கு, 27,300 அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் கிராஜுவேட் லெவல் 27,300, டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் போஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேட் லெவல் 24,700. அது எல்லாத்தையும் இந்த பர்சன்டேஜ்ல 100% அப்படி பிரிச்சீங்கன்னா எவ்வளவு பர்சன்டேஜ் அவங்களுக்குன்னு போயிடும். அதை பிரிச்ச பிறகு then you can add what is the total number of graduate and postgraduate level students in institute R. institute R ஓடது இங்க 17%, இங்க 14%. இந்த 17% அது எவ்வளவு, 14% அது எவ்வளவுன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் அப்படின்னா we can get one value, that is the one here that is mentioned, 8,099. Likewise, therefore for data interpretation itself we have to teach for you 10 classes or 15 classes, a 2-hour session. We have to teach 10 session is needed to express everything, but it is not easy to teach you everything within this 1.5 hours. Therefore this is an idea I am giving. This is the motto of that organizers, to give some okay pinpoint to you. You can based on that you can work out and you can learn it later. This is the idea which was given to you by them. That is the one. Okay, dear participants, we can move on to another important part. This is data interpretation. Everything I will be given to you. Okay, you can work out it everything. Stop sharing here. I share another important topic. I think logical reasoning taught by ma'am yesterday. This is the one is mathematical reasoning. In mathematical reasoning we have words, alphabets, and then some of the words analogy, and then we have these series, number series and alphabet series. We have that's why some of in that way only questions are asked there in that net exam. Okay, here analogy is nothing but it's a comparison between two letters or two words. Based on that we have to compare with another two words. That is one of the way of analogy. Here you can have this, for example, understand what is reasoning. Anybody say something about what is reasoning? Deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, from general to particular, particular to general. That is deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning. So we have to derive some conclusion, we have to derive some idea. That is reasoning. In what logic that is used, based on that logic we have to find out another one. We have to use logic here for finding out the answer. Clear? What is reasoning? We have to find out the reason why that has. Here you see, we can, when we work out that examples, we can easily find out. Moon, satellite, earth. What comes next? I'm giving explanation for you. Moon is related to satellite in the same way planet. Okay, very good, very good. That's correct. I think moon is the natural satellite. Earth is the planet. Earth is the planet. So therefore, these two means there is a relationship between these two. In the same way, we have to find out another relationship. Forecast, future. Forecast and future is one relationship. In the same way, we have to find out another two relationship. Regret, very good, very good. Influenza virus. Because of that, because of virus, the influenza is a disease is coming. Because of bacteria, the typhoid is coming. Like that, we have to find out answer. Fear, threat, anger, provocation, not panic. Okay. Because of threat, there is a fear. Because of provocation, we are angry. We are having anger with others. Okay. Therefore, everything is connected. But what way that is related? That is very, very important. We have to identify that relationship. That is comparison. That is analogy. Analogy is nothing but there is a relationship between these two words. The same kind of relationship we have to. Because of provocation, we are angry. We are having anger with others. Okay. Therefore, everything is connected, but in what way that is related? That is very, very important. We have to identify that relationship. That is comparison. That is analogy. Analogy is nothing but there is a relationship between these two words. The same kind of relationship have to be identified by that. You see here, answer. Moon is a satellite and Earth is a planet. Therefore, answer B. Forecast is for future happenings, regret for the past actions. First is a disease caused by the second. Answer D. First arises from the second. That is answer C. Then first is the process of formation of the second. Therefore, these are all the answers for analogy. So here, these are all some of the examples. That is everything is known by you. But something known by you, something is unknown by you. But anyway, we have to know this quantity and unit. These are all the things are science related. Okay, vocabularies that we should know. And then individual and group that everybody knows. Then animal and young one, cow, calf, horse, pony, cat, kitten, sheep, lamb, butterfly, caterpillar, like that. We should know all this vocabulary, and then we can. That will be helpful for us to find out that answers there in reasoning part. Individual and class, worker and tool, tool and action, word and intensity. Okay, anger and rage. Anger is the ordinary. Okay, and the intensity of anger is less, but rage intensity is high. Anger and rage. Likewise, wish, desire, word and intensity. Likewise, word and synonym, word and antonym. Okay, here are some illustrative examples. Newspaper, press. In the same way, cloth is to what? Mill. In mill only, cloth is, that is capital. That we know. Vigilant, alert, viable, sheep of animals. Clock time, thermometer. Very good. Muslim mosque, 6.
Gurdwara.
Gurudwara, very good. Pyoria, not bacteria. Pyoria is a tooth powder, no? To remove that pyoria disease. The pyoria, earlier we had that tooth powder. Eye, myopia, teeth, pyoria. Tractor, tailor.
Engine.
What is that engine? Okay. Second is pulled by the first. Horse stable, not engine. Tractor, tailor, horse stable. Horse is there. Likewise, we have to find out this answer. This is for test of reasoning. Test of reasoning. Next, we have coding and decoding. That will be asked. This is the way we have to find out. If in a certain language, Madras is coded as NBE SBT. A is followed by B, D is E, R S, A B S T. Therefore, for Bombay, C P N C B is it. Therefore, B is the answer. Likewise, the coding we have to find out. Coding and decoding. This is one of the another reasoning, another part of reasoning. Okay, this is the way we have to do. This is for coding and decoding. Okay, like that we have calendar problems may not come. We can go and I share another reasoning, that is mathematical reasoning. I'll stop this one and share one test file is there that we can work out now. Can I? Yeah, plus it. Okay. 1, 2, 5, 7, 11, dash 17.
13, 17, sir.
14.
13, 17. 1 plus 1, then 2 plus 4, 2 plus 3, then 5 plus 2, then 7 plus 4. What is it going? What is that?
Sir, 13.
1
It's the odd number series. Sorry,
odd
no.
number series.
Adding
No,
it by
sir.
odd
This is
numbers.
No. 1, then 3. Again it comes 2. What is that? Plus 1. You can go alternative. Is it? One plus 4, 5. 2 plus 5, 7.
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Then from 2 onwards only prime number. No, 2, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, anyway, we can take, I think. Okay, next one. 1 plus 8, 1, 8, 27. Therefore, 64. Very good. For this answer is 64. For this answer is 13. Next one. This way only definitely one problem is there. One question, this type of question, one question will be there in that any type of any exam. Another one, 6, 12, 21, 33. 6, 9, 11. What is that? What comes next?
45.
You have to say the
40.
reason. Huh? Plus 6 plus 9 plus 11. 11 or 12? 21 plus 33,
48,
12,
sir.
12, 12. 12. Okay, here 6, then 9, 12, then what comes
15,
next?
sir. 15.
15. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9. This is the reasoning. But here for that reasoning we have okay. This one question, definitely this kind of question is coming for all the net exam. Okay, this kind of way you work out a lot of like Sudoku, you work out every day some problems, some problems. Definitely this problem coming again and again. Therefore, this may not be a serious issue for you. Definitely, you can complete this exam. When you work out 100 problems or 200 problems, okay, likewise, you definitely attend that exam, attend that question in your exam. Okay, this is test of reasoning. We can move on to another topic. Yeah, I may share for research aptitude. I think research, everybody, most of you doing research. Okay, in that case, you can work out. We'll be doing, instead of explaining everything, we'll be doing some problem. Some questions which I asked earlier. This is the syllabus. Research means research. Re is a prefix meaning again, a new or over again. And search is a verb meaning to examine closely and carefully, to test and try to probe. That is research. So we have to do something newly. We are finding out some new idea, new concept, something you do newly. That is called research. Research is used for finding out something new. That is called research. Here, based on that, we have characteristics of research, types of research. Okay, and then we can come to the problem questions which asked earlier. You go through everything, and we can work out it everything later. I'll be giving these materials to your coordinator. Then he'll be sharing with you. Here, first question: arrange the list in correct order as per their usage in the article writing. I think all of you are writing articles for doing PhD. What kind of order you have to follow? For thesis, which of the following can be the components of a thesis? Not everything is a component. Which one is not a component? Which one is missing? Which we are to left out? Supervisor's remark is not research, but archives is not the method. Therefore, archive is the answer. Coding in research refers to which of the following statements? The act of displaying data in tabular form, the act of cleaning the data. Which one? C. Very good. Sarveshwan, you are right. The act of translating answers into numerical values. That is right. Coding. Next. Numbering the citations linked in footnotes to footnotes or endnotes is done in which of the following formats?
MLA.
You are all doing MLA format. No. Most of
Yes,
the
sir.
English writers, you are writing MLA format. MLA format you are not having with numbers. Chicago referencing style uses numbering, which links to endnotes or footnotes. Other referencing APA, MLA, all these things are start with the author name and year. Here, the first one, archives is the answer. Second one is the, okay, this is C. Likewise, another one. Who among the following propounded the concept of paradigm? Thomas Kuhn. Okay. The components of research design are the reactivity and non-representativeness are not coming. Okay. Therefore, comparison, control, manipulation, generalization. A, B, and D, and F. That is the answer. You see, comparison, control, manipulation, and generalization are the essential to research design. Thomas Kuhn is the concept paradigm is introduced by Thomas Kuhn. Likewise, we have a lot of questions. These also I will be shared with you. That is the research aptitude. Research aptitude. I think from research, all of you doing research, from research, some questions will be asked. I think 6 questions will be asked from research point of view. You have to, after reading all these things, you have to read every topic which is related to research. After reading that one, you can definitely easily answer the questions. Research aptitude is very, very easy for you, but you should cover the syllabus fully. That is the one. I'm closing that. Research aptitude,